Last video I showed you 7 free AI API keys and it blew up, but I went through the comments and someone said, and I am reading this directly, you explained 0 about implementation, 0 examples about setup. That was fair. So this video is the fix. I'm going to show you 5 platforms where you can get a free API key, and for each one I will show you the exact rate limits, a live test in Postman, and how to plug it straight into N8N. You need 2 tools, Postman and N8N, both free. Links are in the description. Alright, platform 1, let's go. Platform 1 is Cerebras, and this one has the fastest response time of anything I have tested. We are talking 137 milliseconds for a full response from a 120 billion parameter model. I will show you that number on screen in a minute. Completely free, no credit card, no phone number, just your email, and you get 1 million tokens every single day. Go to cloud.cerebras.ai and click sign up. Use Google or just enter your email and a password. Check your email, click the verification link, and you are in. In the left sidebar, click API keys, then hit create API key, give it any name, and click create. Your key starts with CSK. Copy it now and save it somewhere safe, because once you close this window, you cannot see it again. Click limits in the same sidebar. On the free tier, you get 2 models, GPTOSS 120 billion and Llama 3.18 billion. Both give you 30 requests per minute, 14,400 per day, and 1 million tokens per day. Resets every 24 hours. Screenshot this. It is also in the description. Open Postman. In Cerebras, click Playground in the sidebar. Then hit the View button in the top right, go to the curl tab and copy it. Back in Postman, click Import, paste it in and hit Import. The whole request builds automatically. Open it, go to Headers and replace the API key placeholder with your real CSK key. Then go to Body, change stream from true to false, and add a user message, something like, what is N8N automation in 1 sentence. Send it. Full response comes back, and if you scroll to the bottom and look at total time in the time info section, you will see 0.137, 137 milliseconds. That is what purpose-built hardware does. Download the workflow from the description. Key. It is called 01_cerebras.json. In N8N, create a new workflow, click the 3 dots menu, import from file, and select that JSON. 4 nodes load up automatically. Click the Cerebras API, call node, replace the key placeholder with your CSK key, then run the workflow. All 4 nodes go green. Click the last node, and in the output, you will see a clean AI summary. 233 tokens used and 137 milliseconds response time. Total workflow time under 1 second. That first manual trigger can be swapped for a Google Sheets trigger, a Gmail trigger, anything. The API call in the middle stays exactly the same. Alright, that is Cerebras. 1 million free tokens a day and 137 milliseconds. Platform 2 is up next, and that one is all about volume. Let's go. Platform 2 is Mistral AI, and this one is all about volume. Cerebras was the fastest. Mistral is the most generous. 1 billion tokens per month, completely free. Not 1 million, 1 billion with a B. No credit card, just a phone number to verify, and that is it. And you get access to all their models with 1 key. Mistral Large, their coding model Codestral, their vision model Pixtral, all of them. Go to console.mistral.ai and click sign up. You can use Google, GitHub, or just your email. Verify your email, and once you are inside, click on billing in the left sidebar. Select the experiment plan. That is the free one. It will ask for a phone number, enter it, type in the code they send you, and you are done. No credit card ever. Now go to API keys in the sidebar. Click Create New Key. Give it a name and click Create. Copy your key immediately and save it somewhere safe. You will not see it again after you close this window. The free experiment plan gives you 1 billion tokens per month. Resets every month forever. The rate limit is 2 requests per minute, which sounds slow, but think about it. You have 1 billion tokens to burn through. And most automations do not need to run that fast. Screenshot this. Full breakdown is also in the description. Open Postman. Go to the Mistral Playground at console.mistral.ai. Click Playground in the sidebar. Hit the View button top right. Copy the CURL. Back in Postman, click Import. Paste it in, hit Import, and name the collection. Open the request, go to Headers, and replace the key placeholder with your real Mistral key. Then go to Body. Make sure the model is set to Mistral large latest. Stream is false, and add a user message. Something like, what are the top 3 benefits of using Mistral AI for automation? Send it. Clean, structured response comes back. It is slower than Cerebras, around 4 to 5 seconds, but remember, you have 1 billion of these per month for free. Download the workflow from the description. It is called 02_mistral.json. Import it into N8N the same way as before. You will see 4 nodes: manual trigger, sample email, Mistral API call, and extract draft reply. Click the Mistral API call node, replace the key placeholder with your real key, then run the workflow. Click Extract Draft, reply, and in the output you will see a complete professional email draft. Subject line, greeting, body, sign off, ready to send. 174 tokens used. Total workflow time under 3 seconds. In real use, you swap the manual trigger for a Gmail trigger, and every new email that lands in your inbox gets a draft reply generated automatically. You just review it and hit send. Alright, that is Mistral. 1 billion free tokens a month and all their models included. Platform 3 is up next, and most people have never heard of this one. Let's go. Platform 3 is Sambanova, and I promise you, most people in the automation space have never heard of this one. They built their own AI chips, not GPUs like everyone else, and the result is 311 tokens per second with a total response time of 1.27 seconds. When you sign up, you get $5 in free credits, no credit card, just your email, and that gives you access to Llama 3.370B, which is one of the best open source models available right now. Go to cloud.sambanova.ai and click sign up. Enter your email and create a password. No phone number, no credit card, just your email. Verify it, and once you are inside, you will see your $5 credits already loaded and ready to use. Look for the API section in the left sidebar. Click Add API Key. Give it a name. Click Create and copy your key immediately. Save it somewhere safe and move on. The $5 credit expire in 30 days, so use them within the first month. Rate limit is 20 requests per minute for Llama 3.370B and 30 for the smaller models, and the speed 311 tokens per second. Time to first token was 0.089 seconds, almost as fast as Cerebras. Screenshot this. Full breakdown is in the description. Click Playground in the sidebar. You will see a model drop down at the top. Select MetaLlama 3.370 billion instruct. Then click the View Code button in the top right. Select the curl tab and copy it. Open Postman, click Import, paste it in, hit Import, and save it to a collection. Go to headers and replace the key placeholder with your real key, then go to body, change stream from true to false and add your user message. Add a system message saying you are a helpful assistant, then a user message, something like give me 5 automation ideas for a small business owner. Send it. Full response, 5 detailed ideas, clean formatting. Look at the usage section. 449 tokens, 1.27 seconds, 311 tokens per second. Download the workflow from the description. It is called 03_sambanova.json. Import it into N8N the same way as before. 6 nodes load up. Manual trigger, sample support ticket, Sambanova AI call, parse classification, and 2 routing nodes. Click the Sambanova AI call node, replace the key placeholder with your real key, then run the workflow. Total time 760 milliseconds. Click parse classification and look at the output. Category billing. Priority high. 1 sentence summary of the ticket. And then the routing node automatically sent it to the billing team. The AI read the ticket, understood it, classified it, and routed it all in under 1 second. Alright, that is Sambanova. $5 free, 311 tokens per second, and a 760 millisecond workflow. Platform 4 is the one for anyone in Europe or dealing with sensitive data. Let's go. Platform 4 is Scaleway, and this one is specifically for anyone in Europe, anyone building for European customers, or anyone working with sensitive data. Scaleway is one of France's biggest cloud companies, and their free tier gives you 1 million tokens completely free. The data never leaves Europe. It stays on servers in Paris, full GDPR compliance. And the models are the same top open source ones. Llama 3.3, Mistral Small, Quen, all of them on one key. Go to scaleway.com and click sign up. Create your account with your email. During onboarding, Scaleway will ask for your billing address. This is just your address, not a credit card. They are a European company and need it for legal reasons. Fill it in and continue. Once you are inside the console, look at the left sidebar and click Security and Identity. Then click IAM. At the top, you will see tabs. Click API keys. Click Generate an API key. Select myself as the bearer. Give it a description. Set expiration to 1 year. Skip object storage and click Generate. Now, this is important. Scaleway gives you 2 things, an access key ID and a secret key. The one you need for your API calls is the secret key. Copy it now because it is only shown once. The free tier gives you 1 million tokens. Open Postman and create a new request. Set the method to post. The URL is api.scaleway.ai v1 chat completions. Go to headers and add authorization with the value bearer and then your secret key. The long one, not the access key ID. Also add content type with applications JSON. Go to body, select raw and JSON. Set the model to llama, stream to false, max tokens to 500, and add a user message. Send it. Full response in 974 milliseconds. 346 tokens used, running on a server in Paris. Download the workflow from the description. It is called 04_scaleway.json. Import it into N8N the same way as before. 6 nodes, manual trigger, sample feedback, Scaleway AI call, parse feedback, score below 6, and 2 routing nodes. Click the Scaleway AI call node. Replace the key placeholder with your real secret key, then run the workflow. Total time 2.5 seconds. Click the log only node and look at the output. Score 8 out of 10. Sentiment positive. Theme course content. Routed automatically because 8 is above 6. Change the feedback to something very negative and run it again. This time it scores low, routes to flag for review, and your team gets an urgent alert. All running on European servers, fully GDPR compliant. Alright, that is Scaleway. 1 million free tokens. Data stays in Europe. 974 milliseconds response time. One more platform to go. And this one is my personal favorite. Let's go. Platform 5 is Cohere, and I saved this one for last because it is the only free API on this list that gives you embeddings, which means AI search, RAG, chatbots that answer questions about your own documents. None of the other 4 do this. 1,000 calls per month, no credit card ever. Go to dashboard.cohere.com and click sign up. Google, GitHub, or email. No phone number, no credit card. Once you are inside, click API keys in the left sidebar and you will see a trial keys section with a free badge next to it. Your key is already created automatically. Just click the eye icon to reveal it, copy it, and save it. The trial key gives you 1,000 API calls per month. Resets on the 1st of every month, forever. Rate limit is 20 requests per minute. And remember, this is not 1,000 tokens. It is 1,000 full calls. Each call can use hundreds of tokens, and it still only counts as one. Click Playground in the sidebar. Type a message, something like, give me 3 automation ideas for YouTube content creators, and hit send. Wait for the response to come back. Once the response appears, click the View Code button in the top right of the chat area. Select the curl tab and copy it. Now open Postman, click Import, paste the curl in, hit Import, and save it to a collection. Go to Headers and replace the key placeholder with your real trial key. Then go to Body and delete the assistant message block, the part that starts with role:assistant. You only need the user message in there. Hit send. Response comes back in around 6 seconds. Slowest of the 5, but look at the quality. 3 detailed structured ideas, 499 tokens, and that is one call out of your 1,000 for the month. Download the workflow from the description. It is called 05_cohere.json. Import it into N8 and the same way as before. 4 nodes: manual trigger, channel info, Cohere AI call, and extract ideas. Click the Cohere AI call node, replace the key placeholder with your trial key, then run the workflow. Total time 2.9 seconds. Click extract ideas and you will see 5 complete YouTube title suggestions ready to use, 413 tokens, 1 call used. Swap the manual trigger for a schedule trigger. Every Monday at 9 a.m., the workflow runs automatically, generates 5 fresh video ideas, and saves them straight to Notion or Google Sheets. Your content calendar fills itself every week for free. Alright, that is all 5 platforms. Real quick, here is how to choose. Cerebras for speed, 137 milliseconds. Mistral for volume, 1 billion tokens a month. Sambanova for balance, fast and generous credits. Scaleway if your data needs to stay in Europe. And Cohere when you need embeddings, re-ranking, or RAG. All 5 workflow files are in the description. Download them, drop in your keys, and you have 5 working AI automations running for free right now. If this helped, hit subscribe because we build more of these every week. And drop a comment telling me which platform surprised you the most. See you in the next one.